I'm going to show you how you can get paid instantly with Shopify. Now, the thing we're going to be using is called Shopify Bill Pay. Now, this is the app that's usually used to pay bills, but somehow Shopify make it so that you can get paid instantly with it as well. Now, there's a couple of caveats to this too. It's only available for US users only, and it costs 1% of the payment amount, and all you need to accept is the payment to your debit card number, right? So you will need a debit card as well. There's only a couple that's eligible as well, but if you want to go through with this, I'm going to show you how you can install Shopify Bill Pay. Now from here, just want to go ahead and go to finance. Now on finance, you want to go ahead and go to bill pay. Now on bill pay, you will need to install the app. So just go ahead and go to bill pay, and then it might look like a white screen for a second here, but you can see it'll surely go to here. Now you can see install app. Now on the install app section here, you can see it'll can view personal data like your staff information and your view edit store data as well. So you can edit and view your edit store data as well. Just tap on install here. Now, once you tap on install, you will need to enter in your business name and your business details as well to get accepted into the bill pay. And again, you will need to be a US citizen for this to actually work. So you can see on bill pay, this is what it will see. You have to submit the business detail here to complete the setup, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your date of birth, and also your business address to go along with it as well.